I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable biometric login for your Wells Fargo account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Wells Fargo app. Launch the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Step 4. Enable biometric login. In the Settings menu, find the Security section. Toggle the option for biometric login to enable it. You may need to confirm your identity again. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of your account and then attempt to log back in using your fingerprint or facial recognition. If it doesn't work, check your device settings to ensure biometric features are enabled. If you follow these steps, you should be all set for a quick and secure login experience. Enjoy the convenience of biometric access.